In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Slack API apps page and sign into your workspace. If you're getting ready to work with the Slack platform or eventually generate an OAuth access token, the very first thing you'll do is head to the official Slack API apps page and make sure you're signed in. This lays the groundwork for anything you'll build later, from simple test apps to fully fledged integrations. Before we begin, make sure you have an active Slack account and that you're allowed to use apps in your chosen workspace. If your organization manages Slack centrally, you may need admin approval to proceed later on, but for now, reaching the apps page and signing in is all we're focusing on. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official URL https://api/slack.com apps. It's important to use that exact address so you land on Slack's developer site and not a third-party page. Once the page loads, you may be prompted to sign in. If that happens, follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate using your Slack account. Some organizations use single sign-on, so you might see your company login page, a workspace picker, or a multi-factor authentication request. Just complete the sign-in flow as you normally would. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Slack API apps area. This is your central dashboard for building and managing Slack apps. Even if you haven't created anything yet, this page is where you'll return whenever you want to review app settings, permissions, or installation details. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, double-check that you're signed in to the right one. The workspace name and icon usually appear in the top corner, and switching to the correct workspace here can save you time later. A quick tip for staying organized: consider bookmarking this page in your browser or adding it to your development shortcuts. If you work across environments, using a dedicated browser profile for development can also help you keep sessions isolated and avoid accidentally switching workspaces. If you run into sign-in issues, verify that you're on a secure connection and that your browser isn't blocking necessary cookies or redirects. Clearing a stale session or trying an incognito window can resolve common authentication hiccups. And if you're still stuck, checking with your workspace admin is usually the fastest path to a fix. That's it for this step. You've successfully reached the Slack API apps page and signed in, which is the starting point for any app work you'll do on Slack. In a future session, you'll continue from here to configure an app and move toward obtaining an OAuth access token.